In the kingdom of Eloria, surrounded by shimmering mountains and singing rivers, lived Princess Helen. Known for her beauty and brilliant mind, she loved solving puzzles and believed every problem had a solution. One day, the crystal fountain, the magical source of Eloria's water, stopped flowing. The royal fixers couldn't navigate the clapping woods to find it. Helen insisted she could solve the woods puzzles despite her parents' concerns. Helen packed her essential items and entered the woods, where the trees clapped in odd rhythms. Their whispers promised success to the brave and clever. She encountered a riddle tree blocking her path. I have hands but no fingers, numbers but no sums, a face that doesn't blink. What am I? A clock, Helen answered confidently, earning passage through golden leaves. Next, she faced a rhythm challenge in a clearing. By clapping and tapping in time, she unlocked a bridge of woven branches. Crossing the bridge, Helen found a gate guarded by an owl, fox, and tortoise. Each had unique abilities needed to open it. Together, they unlocked the gate with Helen's guidance, illustrating the power of teamwork. At the crystal fountain, overgrown vines and stones blocked its flow. Helen applied knowledge and collaboration. 1. Following earlier rhythms, she touched stones in sequence. 2. She sang a soothing song she learned from forest healers. With her animal friends, she untangled vines safely. The fountain erupted with sparkling water, and the forest clapped loudly in joy. Helen returned triumphantly to applause at the castle. The kingdom celebrated Helen's Day of Cleverness annually, where children learned about problem-solving and teamwork. The clapping woods no longer confused travelers but cheered whenever Helen passed. And so, Princess Helen became Eloria's legend, Helen, the heart of the woods. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!